Okay, guys, let's get started. So, in the last session, we did the kiosk browser configuration. But that did not work, right? So I'll go to configuration and let's see the kiosk device configuration profile. Okay, so that got applied successfully. However, it worked, right? The only thing is, it is not allowing you to go to that website in that machine. Which one? This is the machine.
Yes, number two.
Where is the machine?
Uh, 1 second.
Hmm. Yeah, will to start your app, press Control Alt and sign in or contact. Okay, so fine. So let's do one thing. Let's use other user and then log in with the other account, your other account. Now we will make some changes to this one. So how will you make the changes? You need to come to this configuration setting, edit, and inside this, um, you have used Edge browser, right?
Yes, it was on Edge. It was before on Edge itself.
Before it was kiosk browser, right?
No, it was Edge.
Did we choose Edge browser or kiosk one? Which one?
I think we
Uh,
used
no,
Edge.
sir. First you use Kiosk browser and then you use Edge. Yesterday you
Edge.
changed it.
Right. Auto log on, single app, full screen. That's fine. Okay. So I don't have to make any changes. This all looks fine. Okay. Now let's go to the device. Uh, and then synchronize the policy. Okay. Kiosk browser. You see? So this synchronization happened 10:38, few minutes back. Okay. I'm gonna click on create report and export. So we will see the report. So we'll go to C:/users. Okay. Inside users, we'll go to public. Inside public, we'll go to documents. Inside documents, MDM, and then this report. Let's find out the kiosk one. KIOSK. Refresh time we have given 1 minute. That's fine. Now the second one, a default browser, make me IT expert. Okay. Make me IT expert. It should go to make me IT expert website. Fine. So also we have given Amazon, right? Amazon policy did not come here. Okay. Let's synchronize the policy again. Did you restart the machine, Toby, today?
Yes.
When?
I think like 25 minutes, 1 hour back.
Okay.
Then I did some change, setting change, and then I restarted it again. So So the Amazon is working now.
Okay, you see it is going to the Edge browser now. It is not going to the kiosk browser. Previously it was going to the kiosk browser. Now Amazon website is working. So the machine will take you directly to Amazon. It will not ask you to log into the machine because it is going to the kiosk mode. Plus, if you wait for like 1 minute, this Amazon website will get refreshed automatically. Plus, if you try to end the session, it will again come back to this Amazon. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
So this is how we do the kiosk configuration on the target device. Understood? Rehan, clear?
Yes.
Now we will see company portal customization. Okay. A group policy we have already done. Did we do the PowerShell script deployment? Yes, we have done. Company portal customization. So how do you customize company portal? So you need to go back to the tenant administration. Inside tenant administration, you have end user experiences. So inside end user experience, you have customization. So you can go to customization, and right now it says no organization name. You can make some changes here. Okay, so let's make the changes. So I'll go to edit, and here we'll type in Toby Private Limited. For example, the name of the company is Toby Private Limited, and the color of the company portal, for example, it's purple. Okay. Now you have to upload the logo and show in header. It should show the logo and name both. Okay. Upload logo and theme color background. So let's go do that. MS Paint. Okay, so okay, so we have uploaded the logo of the company, right? Whatever the logo is there, you can upload the logo. Then upload logo for white or light background. So I'm gonna upload the same logo, but you can have different logo for each boxes here. Okay. Now contact name. In case if user is facing some issues, the user can contact IT support. So IT support. Okay, phone number. You can give the phone number, email address. IT support at toby.ltd, right? Now website name. Okay. Additional information, if you would like to keep, you can do that. Otherwise, you can leave them as it is. Device enrollment, this is for Android and iPad. So I'll leave that as it is. Now privacy URL. So the privacy URL is going to be this one. Okay. /privacy, for example. Okay. Customize not needed. So this is for iOS, iPad. I'll leave that as it is. Device category. Yes, user can choose the appropriate category of the device. App source. So application will show up. Which application? Microsoft Entra application will show up if you choose show. Office online application, configuration manager, SCCM application. Okay, so I'll leave everything as default. Then hide remove button. User cannot unenroll the device. User cannot reset the device. Okay, hide. So all of them I am hiding here. And review plus save. So this is how you do the configuration. Okay, for company portal customization. Then you have custom notification here. This is for Android devices. So let me try creating some custom notification. For example, welcome to Toby. Okay, so this is like the welcome message when they enroll their devices, the Android devices. Okay, and I would like to apply this to, you can choose any user group. Okay, so Windows 11 user group. Now we have terms and condition. We can create some terms and condition here. So create terms and condition. Terms and condition. User will need to accept that terms and condition. Okay. So terms and condition. Okay. You need to type in the proper terms and condition here. Next. And then we would like to apply this to Windows 11 user, for example. So who is part of this Windows 11 user group? I don't know. Okay, so that will be the terms and condition. Let's go back to the machine. Log in with the other account. Is Kashif user part of that group, the Windows 11 one?
Yes, I think so.
Let's verify. Yes. Okay, so the user is now logged in. Let's open company portal. Okay. So we have company portal right here. So it should come in purple color. Okay. And it is asking for terms and condition. To accept the terms and conditions, the user will need to accept that one. Okay. You see the color is changed. The logo is showing up. This is the logo. This is the name of the company, right? Plus, when you go to help and support here, you will see the call, email, website. So those things are showing up. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is how
Yes.
you do the customization of company portal. And where is tenant administration? Then we have terms and condition. Now in terms and condition, when you click on this, you will get the acceptance reporting. You know how many people have accepted your terms and conditions. So right now you will wait for, you need to wait for some time, then you will be able to get the information. Kashif has already accepted, so Kashif will show up here. Okay. So after a few minutes, you will be able to see it here.
So if the user declined, it will stay on the same
Yes.
page. It will not move forward.
Yes.
And is
Okay.
this a first time activity or every time user have to accept?
Only one time. Only one time.
Okay.
Once user will have to accept that once. Okay. Either user accepted day 1 or day 100 or whatever it is. You know, whenever you create, that will show up to the user. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now there is one more, company branding. Okay, that's a different one. So the branding is different. I'll show you what is branding. So branding, for example, if you go to if you go to Microsoft.com, enter your okay, Kashif is already logged in, but you see it's a blue screen behind, right? We don't have any branding right now. So branding is part of Microsoft Azure portal, the not Azure, basically it's Entra portal. So branding comes here. Let's search branding. Company branding. Okay. So in company branding, you have various options like customize your end user experience, use your organization's logo and custom color schemes to provide consistent look and feel of your Microsoft Entra ID sign-in pages. So default sign-in experience, customize by browser language. So default sign-in. Okay. Let me click on customize here first. So favicon. Okay, if you want favicon, you can add it. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Let's download some favicon. Okay. Download favicon free. Intune. Or HDFC. It's going back to HSBC. Okay. Fine. Let's try this favicon. Can we download save image as? No, it's going to PNG. We need ICO. favicon. Okay. Again, it's downloading in PNG. The file does not have an associated with it. Perform action. Please install. Oh. Free for a link. Okay, let's try this. Hmm. The file. Oh, must be PNG. Okay. I thought it is. Okay, let's try this. Okay, good. So Blender. Then background image. Okay, so background image. What image we should add? Can we try this? Okay, let's see. Background image. Then we have page background color. Let's say red color. Okay. Then what else? Okay, let's go next layout. So layout will be template, full screen background, or at the right hand side. Let's give right hand side. It is a little better. Okay. Instead of doing full screen. Then show header, hide header. Show header or hide header. Let's go with show header. Okay. Footer, show footer. Custom CSS, I'll leave that as it is because it's not mandatory. Next, header, logo. Next. Next is, sorry, previous. So header logo, done. Now footer, display text. Sign in to be private limited. Okay. Link https:// for example amazon.com. Whatever the link you would like to give, you can give here. Display text. Terms and condition for.
So in terms and condition, we can't update like a text file or something because the terms and conditions are always very brief.
We will see what option is coming, then we can make some changes. Okay. Terms and condition, for example, privacy. Okay. Next, sign in form. Banner logo. and just randomly giving, okay? Square logo. User hint. Sign in to Toby Private Limited. Then self-service password reset. Okay, show self-service password reset. Common URL. https://makemeitexpert.com. For example, I'm just randomly giving information. Account collection text. Give your account details. Password collection. Give your password details. Next, review. Okay. And then create. So this is how we do company branding. Okay, this is not company portal branding. This is the general company branding. Okay. Excuse me. Now browser language customization. Customize sign-in experience by browser language. Okay, let's do that. Add browser language. Language will be English. Oh, I cannot use this image too long. I have to use something else. Okay, VLC has taken background image. Okay. Right hand side, show header, show footer, next, header logo. Okay, I'm gonna leave these options as it is next. And let's add logo. Next, and then add. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so default sign in and browser language customization. Okay. Now let's go to the device. Close this and open again. Microsoft.com. Intune.microsoft.com. I have to log out first. Yeah, there you go. You see the logo is coming, the browser logo. Let me go to intune.microsoft.com. Okay. And Kashif. No, wait. It should be logged out completely. log out, sign out.
Please try something else, office.com or something.
Office.com. Okay.
Yeah.
Outlook.office.com. Okay. Since it's already logged in, no, let's do one thing. Let's sign out and sign back in. Outlook.office.com. It's taking directly. There you go. Now let's use other account. Can you type in Kashif? Yeah. Okay, at the right hand side, it's coming. Previously, it was coming in the front, but now it is coming at the right hand side. Plus, you see terms and condition by Toby Private Limited. Sign in to Toby Private Limited. So we are able to see the Java, the icon, and this is Teams icon, right? Let me click on terms and condition. It is taking you to the Amazon website. Okay. Sign into Toby Private Limited is taking us to the Amazon because we have given Amazon, right? Are you guys clear with this concept, the company branding?
Yes.
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 Okay. So let's close this. And I'll go back to the Intune portal. So in today's session, we have customized, then custom notification, and then terms and condition. Company branding. Then we will do monitor. Okay, how will you monitor some of the things? We have already seen that, but let me show you again. You need to go to devices here. Inside devices, you have monitor. Inside monitor, you have various things here. For example, we have seen this Windows Autopilot deployment status. So that's going to show you whether the deployment was successful or failed. Then non-compliant devices. Which are non-compliant devices? So I don't have any non-compliant devices. That's the reason it is blank. Then we have enrollment failure. Any device where the enrollment is failed, that's going to show up here. Then device encryption status. So ready, this device is ready for encryption, but it is not yet encrypted. We have already seen the BitLocker, right?
Yes,
Yes.
we have.
Okay, we have already seen that one. So this is how we do the monitoring. Now we have reports. So when you go to reports here at the left hand side, when you go to the reports here, you will see that various reports options are available. For example, device compliance report. Refresh, that's gonna show you how many devices are compliant and how many devices are non-compliant.
Kashif, I have one question. So in this Intune portal, can we, for example, if we have a team of 5 people, can we like delegate the access, limited access to this portal?
Yes, I'll show you later on. I'll show you that one. Okay. So you see compliance option. There are 2 devices which are compliant. Then you can go to the report and you can get your reports from here. Device compliance report, device compliance trend, non-compliance. Let me go with the device compliance and you can generate a report. Okay. Okay, these 2 devices are compliant. Linux and Windows, you can export from here in Excel or CSV format. Okay. Then we have device configuration status report. So from here, you can go get the configuration status. Group policy analytics, right? This is the group policy one. Windows update one. So you have feature update, then you have quality update, and then driver update one. Okay. And then you have Microsoft and Defender one. The report, you will be able to see detected malware and antivirus agent status, firewall. Okay. Then MDM firewall status for Windows 10 and later. Okay. Then we haven't enabled this one, endpoint analytics. So we will not be able to, yeah, Windows auto patch status you will get. So for quality update, you will be able to get the information from here, and report, you can get these quality report. Similarly, you can get the feature update report here. Okay. Clear, everyone? Now then
Yes.
you have troubleshooting and support. So suppose you are trying to find out some issues for this user, Kashif, for example. He is facing some issues on which device? This device. There. So list of devices will come up here, whatever associated to Kashif. So you can click on the device, and now you see you have deployed various policies. Out of those policies, 4 compliant, 1 error, and 1 not applicable. So there are total 6 policies you have applied. Compliance, 1 error. Okay, so when you click on this, that's gonna show you which policy has error message. Then application, 2 available for deployment and 3 installed already. Okay. You have option to go one by one, the device groups, right? These are the, so that device part of these groups, right? I mean the user and device, both of them are part of these groups. Okay. Then policy, what all policies are applied, that's going to show up here. Applications, that's going to show up here, right? Application protection policy, updates, okay? Enrollment state and restriction, diagnostic, so that's going to come up here. Now then you have help and support. This is how we this is the place where you can raise a case with Microsoft. Suppose Intune has some issues, or Windows auto patch has some issues, or Windows 365 has some issues. So what you can do, you can raise a case to Microsoft. For example, Windows auto patch. So here you can click on new support request and raise a case with Microsoft. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
Now delegate access to Intune portal to Intune administrator. Suppose there are some people who are Intune administrators and they need permission. For example, Kashif. Kashif is like Intune admin, but we will not give uh, full access to Kashif. We will give limited access. For example, Kashif is from help desk. So we'll go to tenant administration and then we'll go to roles, right? In roles, we have various options. So you see help desk operator. So let me click on that. So assign administrators to endpoint manager roles, create and configure custom endpoint manager roles. So basically it gives you the information. Then you have properties and you can simply go down. You see what all things are accessible to this. If anybody is part of this role, so what all things he can access. So Android Enterprise he can read, but he will not be able to make any changes. Read, that means he will be able to see but can't make any changes, right? So these are the access given to that. And then you can go to the assignment and you can create the assignment from here. So either you assign this role or you can create your custom role. So let me show you the custom role. Generally we create custom role. So I don't want to apply this role. So I'll click on 3 dots and choose duplicate. So limited permission for help desk admins. Next. So you see there are various things which are already enabled. I'm going to disable which I don't want user to use. I mean the admin to use. No, read means it will be read only access. I'm going to say no. Okay. Suppose I don't want to give access to these things. So I'm going to change that to no. Rest everything I'm going to leave them as default. Next and then next and create. So we have created the role. The role is ready now. Let me refresh the role. Role is limited. Where is limited? Yeah, limited permission for help desk. This one. Okay. Now we need to assign this role to someone, right? Either group of user or only one user. So I'm going to click on that and then go to assignment and then assign. Help desk role assignment. Next. And then you choose the group. For example, Windows 11 user. Next. Now, administrators in this role can target policies, applications, and remote task. So I'll add the same group here. Next, next, create. That was your question, Rehan, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so let's see how this changes. What happens when Kashif logs into this Intune portal, because we have already given limited permission to Kashif. So intune.microsoft.com, Kashif. So Kashif has limited permission. For example, if he goes to tenant administration and clicks on connectors and tokens. No, let me click on this. Does Kashif? Yes, access denied, no permission. So you will get error like this. Okay, access denied, no permission. No.
Kashyap, one more question. Any accidentally deleted thing, there is a any way to recover? For example, if somebody deleted any policy or anything in that portal,
Mm-hmm.
so can we recover, or we should we contact to the Microsoft for that?
Recovery, I think it is possible, but I have not done that before. You will have to connect to Microsoft Graph API in the backend, and you should be able to do it, but I'll have to check, okay? I've not done it before,
Yes.
okay?
Okay.
Now, so you will be able to grant permission, but limited permission is given. For example, I'll go to apps. Let me see if I can go to apps, and you see add option is gone. I cannot add any
Yes.
application because limited permission is given to this user.
Yes.
Okay. So that is delegate access to Intune. Now then you have remote help or remote assistance. So remote assistance, how that works, basically you need to go to Intune portal, and inside Intune portal you have devices, and inside devices, let's go to the device, and this device, for example, you would like to remote into this device. So user is facing some problem. For example, Kashif is facing some challenge, and you would like to remote into Kashif's computer. How will you remote in? You have 3 dots and then choose this option, new remote assistance session. Right now it is disabled because we haven't enabled this policy. So for remote, we have to take license, another license. So let's take another license. I'll go to admin.microsoft.com, and then we'll go to marketplace. In marketplace, we need to search remote here. Okay. This is the one, Microsoft Intune remote help details. Start free trial. Try now. Continue. Okay. So we have taken the license. We need to give license to the administrator. Okay, so let's give license to the administrator. We'll go to billing and then your products. You see, we have taken this license, Microsoft Intune remote help. So user, I mean the administrator needs permission. So who is the admin right now? It's Toby, right? Toby.
Yes.
So Toby will need permission. So I mean, Toby will need license. Okay, we have given license to Toby. Now we need to enable that feature. The feature is not yet enabled. So we'll have to go to the Intune portal and then enable that feature. So we'll go to VNet administration and remote help, and then setting, and then enable this one from here, configure. So let's enable. Okay. Allow remote help to unenrolled device. Yes, allow that one as well. And disable chat. No, save. So we have enabled that one. $90 trial. 90 days left in trial. Okay, so this is for 90 days. Now setting, you see we have already enabled that one. You need to download one application in this machine plus on the target machine both. Okay, so let's download that application. So download remote assistance Intune. Okay, we have this install and update remote help. I'm going to click on that, and then you choose this one. Install apps on Windows device. No, a little down, you will find this link. So I'm going to click on that link. It downloaded. Install this. Can you say yes and install? Okay, let's click on launch, Toby.
No, not that one.
Oh, sign out. Okay, so you have give help and sorry, get help and give help, right? Two options are there. Let me close this. Similarly, you have to do the same thing on that browser, on that machine. What happened to Google Chrome?
1 second.
Okay, so we need to download this as same application. Either you download manually or you can send it through SCC, Intune portal. So on that machine, on the target remote machine, right? We need to install the same application. Okay, so we have installed this application on both the machines, on the laptop plus on the virtual machine. So in production environment, what we do, we send this application to all the devices through Intune portal. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so how do you remote into the target device? You simply click on the three dots and choose remote, new remote session, new remote session and remote help and continue. When you do that, it is going to send a notification to the user's computer. On this, yeah, there you go. You see, notification came. So user will have to click on this open remote help. Okay. And we can also click on this on the admin side. The administrator will click on launch remote help and open. Okay, so take full control or view screen. So the administrator will have to choose anything. I'm going to click on take full control. The user is going to get a pop-up that user will get a pop-up here to approve. So user will allow. And then you see, I will be able to see the screen here on this. Okay, so I have taken remote of that machine. And I can do whatever I would like to do, you see, on that target machine. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes. So one more question. For example, in our company, sometimes we need silent login in the computer, like so the user not get prompted. We log in directly.
Login means
Like
you don't
we
log in, you
remote the
just
machine.
view the screen.
The screen, yes.
Yeah, that is SCCM part, not this one.
Okay, now has limitations.
Yeah. In
Okay.
SCCM, we can do that. In remote VO tool is there. In SCCM, we can watch what user is doing without user information.
Yeah, but sometimes we are using silent and we use ConnectWise tool, so we
Not.
remote the machine without any prompt.
Okay. But that feature is not available in this one. User will
Okay.
get a pop-up to allow, then only you can silently connect to the, to connect to the user.
Okay.
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 So we have seen these things in today's session. Okay, we'll stop right here. We'll meet tomorrow. Any question?
Thank you, Kachit. No, I'm good.
Okay, thank you. Bye now.
No,
Bye
thank
everyone.
you. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye, everyone.